Hello everybody! Today we're going to do an art and craft activity involving the shapes, just like in the book we just read, Shapes at Play. I'm going to show you how. So, for this activity you will need some paper, then more paper of different colors. You'll need a pencil or a pen. You'll need a ruler. I don't have a ruler, so I'm just going to use this cardboard. And then you will need scissors. So the first thing we need to do is actually making some shapes. So you can try to do this by yourself, but look, if it's too difficult, you can ask some help. Maybe your brother, maybe your sister, maybe your nana, your aunt, anybody who is at home with you. Okay, let's make some shapes. I'm gonna make a triangle. 1, 2, and 3. This is my triangle. So you'll need a lot of these, okay? I'm only going to show you how to make one, but you'll need a lot of triangles and a lot of different shapes as well. Next shape I'm going to make squares. So I can see that this piece of paper is already a square. So this should be quick. I'm just going to draw a line in the middle, just like that, and a line across. And look, I made 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Great. Now I'm going to make some circles. So you will need something to trace. And you hold it and trace it. This is how you make some very nice circles. Just like that. And then I'm going to make a rectangle. So I'm going to be clever about this, like I did with the squares, and I'm going to draw a line in the middle, and then 1, 2 lines across, and I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Great. Now it's time to cut. You should try to cut by yourself, but look, if it gets too difficult, you can ask a family member to help you. Just like this, you cut them. Cut, cut, cut. Okay, so I already made some shapes before you came here. I'm just going to show you what we're going to do once we got the shapes ready to go. There we go. I got my circles. As I told you, you need a lot of little shapes for this activity. I got the squares. I got some triangles. And I got the rectangles. If you like, you're welcome to make different shapes as well, like the diamond or the oval. It's your choice. For today, I'm just going to use these basic ones. Okay, let's create something. First, I'm going to make a car. I'm going to use the rectangles and place them in the middle. This is going to be the body of the car. Then I'm going to use the circles to make the tires. Then I'm going to use the yellow squares to make the front window and the back window. And then I'm going to use this big triangle to make the front of the car. And you see? Ta-da! This is my car. Let's make something different now. I could make... Maybe I should make a house. Okay, these rectangles are going to be the walls of the house. The yellow squares are going to be the windows of the house. And this bigger yellow square is going to be the front door. And now it's time to make the roof. I need triangles. I'm going to put the triangles like this. And put some on top as well, just like this. Like that. Ta-da! And this is the house I created. Now, if you have some glue, it'll be good if you can glue the shapes on the paper when you're ready to finalize your art project, or you can just do like I'm doing, you can keep moving them. Last one, I'm gonna make, let me think, I'm gonna make a person. So I'm gonna use a circle for the face and the head, a rectangle for the body. Maybe I'm gonna cut these rectangles, the rectangle into smaller rectangles, so I can use them for the arms. Then I'm gonna use these thicker rectangles for the legs. I'm going to use the yellow squares to make the hands and a triangle to make a funny hat. And this is how I made a person. Now it's your turn to try and be creative with the shapes. Bye bye for now.